Hi, my name is Emmanuel, popularly known as Meeb, and today on Chalet TV, we want to talk about a global trend, something that you probably do or have seen on your friend's status DP on other social media platforms, which is known as cryptocurrency. I'm sure you know about that. So join us as we talk about this. So welcome back, guys. Like I said earlier, we're talking about cryptocurrencies, more like the advantages and also disadvantages. Now it's a big phenomenon, so we can't explain it in one shot. But cryptocurrencies, as you know, it's a mashup of two words, crypto and currency. And crypto, well, is digital. And you know the world is going digital. That with the push of a button, you can do almost anything you want to do. And then currency, yes, that's the money you use. Basically your naira, your dollars, your pound sterling, your CDs, and whatever money that applies to your country. Now, so cryptocurrency is just basically a money that is transmitted digitally. That's electronically. That's a money that you can't really see physically, like your paper or your coins. Just something that's done on the digital platform. So that's what cryptocurrency is all about. And then, the world is basically tilting towards that kind of money. Go around the world now, almost everyone is into this kind of currency because it's a currency that people think it's a one for the future. For example, Tesla, owned by one of the richest man in the world, basically accepts cryptocurrencies, and even a country, El Salvador, already accepts cryptocurrencies as a means of legal tender, meaning that you could go to the country and use cryptocurrency to buy and sell also. So cryptocurrency is the new currency, is the new money that the world is looking at. Some of the examples of cryptocurrencies are the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tron, and so many others that we have. Number one, the same amount of crypto that you have in your wallet is the same amount that you have everywhere in the world. The value is unchangeable. So if you go to Ghana, you go to America, you go to Poland, and wherever you go to, the same amount you carry from Nigeria or from wherever you're going to those countries is fixed at that same amount. And so you don't need to worry about changing your currency, that's your normal currency, to the country's currency to buy whatever you want you to buy, because your country's currency might not be the same worth as the other country. And so you take maybe 50,000 of your own currency to another country and then you change it to their currency, it's giving you maybe 2,000. And so it's not really usable in that country, as opposed to the use of cryptocurrency that you have in Nigeria that you can use anywhere in the world as a means of transaction. So it's very fixed, very okay all over the world. Cryptocurrency is something that you could get for free. That's it's money that you could actually get for free. Like, all you need to do is get an app that mines. And so when you mine, at the end of the day, once the cryptocurrency goes live, you get your money. As opposed to your normal currency where you have to go through maybe some hard process, some hard work to get the money. This one is something you can do with your phone. Just get an app, just mine, and then when it goes live, there's money in your crypto wallet that you can use to buy something in some places in the world, and very soon, maybe everywhere in the world. Another advantage of cryptocurrency is low international transaction fees. You know how you do transactions with banks, and then the costs that they put on those transactions are way too high. Sometimes it gets you annoyed. Sometimes they're almost taking all your profits. But with crypto, it's very low. For those of you that are into imports and exports, you pay with crypto, it's very low. But you're trying to pay with the banks, the normal banks, and then the charges are somewhat off the ground. But with cryptocurrency, you can actually get low charges for your transactions with importation, with exportations. And so that's another advantage of cryptocurrency. These are just some of the basic advantages of cryptocurrency. I'm sure you have some other advantages that you know about. Please tell us in our comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like our YouTube channel. It's Ashalai TV. Meeb is out.